1, 2, 3, funk it.
I'm Caramel, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I painted my face like this, so you can paint your face like this. So if you want to know how to paint your face like this, then you should keep watching. Alright, let's get started. Also, please excuse very annoying voice. I'm kind of, not really, but kind of sickly at the moment. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Disappoint my father. I love that song. Do you love that song? I do. And just so you know, this entire look is going to be using the James Charles palette. So I'm going to start off with this purple. It is called Escape. I'm going to place that right on the inner corner crease area. The next color I'm going to pick up is Skip. It's really neon, so I don't really know how this is going to go, but we're going to try our best to make it look good. Now we're going to use Playground for Social Blade, and that's going to be the last color for our crease color. Now going in with a fluffy brush and going into Social Blade again, I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges some more. Cutting the crease real quick. Like so. And I'm just going back into those colors that I was using in the same order because, you know, I really should have done this first, but I'm dumb, so, you know, I mean, yeah, whatever. But yeah, we're getting her done. And yo, I'm using the same brush for all of these. So now putting in the inner corner where I cut the crease, I'm going to use You're Kidding, this red. Lovely. And next we're using 518 right next to that red. I use a fluffy blending brush and go into the shade Rusted right here and just blend those two together. Last color that we're using for this look is going to be B and Queen Bee. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so hey y'all, sorry, I forgot to say this in the actual video, but basically I am just lining the cut crease with some white eyeliner, though it's not actually liner, it's actually paint, because I don't own white eyeliner, okay? If you want to give me some white eyeliner, that would be great and much appreciated. Thanks, boo. Bye-bye. Actually, what up? I got something else to say. Okay, so now I'm lining my eyes, connecting some black eyeliner to where the white eyeliner ends. And I was just gonna make me some really dramatic black eyeliner, but I ended up doing this funky thing that I don't know what to call it. But anyways, this is what I'm doing, okay? So I'm lining the liner all the way to my eyelid like you would do any kind of normal eyeliner, right? And then when you make the triangle on the outside of the eye, you just don't fill it in, okay? Don't fill it in. That's all I did. It's simple, okay? I don't even know how I did it. Actually, yeah, I do because it was so freaking simple. But yeah, that's all I had to say. Okay, bye-bye.
In the inner corner, I'm going to place Ring Light. That is this shade right here. And we're done. So this is the final look. And yeah, here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you didn't, I'm so sorry. If you did, be sure to give it a like. You know, thumbs up. We love. It's... Yep. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram. It'll be linked down below. Unless, of course, I forget, in which case it won't be. Until next time. Ciao.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you.